In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage work orders in QuickBooks Online. We're going to use a simple trick. We'll take the existing estimate form and customize it so it functions as a work order. This keeps everything inside QuickBooks connected to your customers and invoices without needing any extra apps or complicated setups. Start by heading to the gear icon in the upper right corner of QuickBooks Online. From there, choose Custom Form Styles. This is where you control how your estimates, invoices, and other forms look. Instead of editing your default estimate, create a brand new style and set the type to estimate. Think of this as building a dedicated template just for work orders, so you can keep it separate from your regular estimates. Once the new style opens, go to the Content tab. Here, you'll see different sections of the form. Look for the area where the form name appears to your customer. By default, it will say Estimate. Change that label to Work Order. This simple change means that whenever you use this style, your customers and your team will see it clearly labeled as a work order instead of an estimate. Next, customize the details so the form actually works like a real work order. Still in the Content tab, click into the header and body sections and add any fields you need, such as job site, date scheduled, technician, or crew. If a default field isn't relevant, you can turn it off to keep the form clean and easy to read. This is also a good time to decide what your crew can and can't see. You might choose to hide line item rates or total costs on the printed or emailed work order while still keeping all that pricing data active in the background for when you invoice later. After you're happy with the layout, save the template. Now you're ready to actually create a work order. Click the New button, choose Estimate, and then, in the Customize menu at the bottom of the form, select your new work order style. The form will instantly switch to your custom layout. Fill in the customer's name, the job site details, the scheduled date, and list the services and materials needed for the job. When you're done, you can email the work order for customer approval or simply save and print it for your internal team. When the job is complete, go back to that same estimate in QuickBooks and convert it to an invoice. All the items and details will carry over so you can bill the customer quickly and keep your records consistent from work order to final invoice.